Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs on your mobile phone. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, Google Docs makes it super easy to write, edit, and share documents right from your phone. Let's get started. First, go to the Play Store if you're using Android, or the App Store if you're using iPhone. In the search bar, type Google Docs, then download and install the app. Once it's installed, open it. You'll be asked to sign in with your Google account, so enter your Gmail and password. After signing in, you'll see your list of documents stored in your Google Drive. To create a new one, tap the plus button at the bottom right corner. Then choose New Document. You can give it a name at the top by tapping Untitled Document, and then start typing right away. At the top of your screen, you'll see your basic editing tools. You can bold, italicize, or underline text by tapping the A icon with small lines. You can also change font size, text color, and alignment, just like on the computer version. To insert pictures or links, tap the plus icon at the top and choose what you want to add, like image, table, or comment. One amazing thing about Google Docs on mobile is that it saves automatically. You never have to click Save. Everything you type is instantly saved to your Google Drive, so even if you close the app, your work is still there. You can also share your document by tapping the Share icon at the top. Type the email of the person you want to share it with, and choose if they can view, comment, or edit the document. So that's it! That's how to use Google Docs on your mobile phone. Create, edit, format, and share, all from your pocket. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy tutorials. See you in the next one.